Who gets child custody in India? Explained with Indian law, mother or father. After a couple separates, who gets to keep the child? Is it always the mother, or does the father have an equal right? Let's break it down in simple terms using Indian law. This video will explain how custody is decided under Indian laws. Using the Guardians and Wards Act, the Hindu Adoption Maintenance Act, and clearing confusion around the Hindu Succession Act, Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956. This law says a father must maintain his child even after separation, but it doesn't decide who gets custody. So just because a father is the provider doesn't mean he automatically gets to keep the child. Guardians and Wards Act, the real game changer. This is the main law that courts use for custody. It clearly says welfare of the child is a top priority. Let's simplify how courts usually decide. Age-wise custody trends. Under 5 years, usually the mother for emotional care. Between 5 to 12, still mostly mother unless father proves he is better. Above 12, the child's own choice starts to matter. Even if the father is the natural guardian, the mother may still get custody if it's in the child's best interest. Case laws that shape custody rights. In Githa Hariharan RBI, the court said mothers can be natural guardians too, especially if fathers feel in duty. In Roxann Sharma versus Arun Sharma, the mother got custody for toddler even though the father was the legal guardian. Why? Because the child was more attached to her. Don't confuse with the Hindu Succession Act. Many people confuse inheritance laws with custody. The Hindu Succession Act only deals with property, not parenting. Custody is always about what's best for the child, not property or religion. Recap. Who gets the child? Mothers are usually preferred for young kids. Fathers can get custody if proven more suitable. Courts always ask what's best for the child. Above 12, the child's opinion also counts. Maintenance and custody are separate things. Family law is complex, but it doesn't have to be confusing. If you found this useful, like, subscribe, and share LegalSinghKVS for more simplified legal explain, and drop in your comments for any queries.